ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ ದಶಕಂ 54 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 4 ಘೋರೆ ತಸ್ಮಿನ್ ಸೂರಜಾನೀರವಾಸೇ ತೀರೆ ವೃಕ್ಷಾ ವಿಕ್ಷತಾಃ ಕ್ಷೇಲವೇಗಾತ್ पक्षिव्राताः पेतुरभ्रे पतन्तः कारुण्यार्द्रं त्वन्मनः तेन जातम्. Word by word meaning. Gore tasmin, when that cruel one Kaliya, Suraja Neeravase, was dwelling in the waters of the Yamuna. Suraja, Yamuna, Neeram, water. Kshvela Vegat, by the power of his poison. Tire Vrikshaha, the trees on the bank. Vikshataha, dried up. Abre, in the sky. Patantaha, flying. Pakshivrataha, the birds. Petuhu, fell down, dead. Tena, because of that. Tvanmanaha, thy heart. Karunyardram, jatam, melted in compassion. Full meaning. When that cruel Kaliya was dwelling in the waters of the Yamuna, the trees on the bank dried up and the birds flying in the sky fell down dead because of his poison. Thy heart then melted in compassion. Om Tat Sat.